nature unleashes its unexpected power, everyday life can turn into a spectacular spectacle. A quiet street can collapse into a sinkhole. The sky can suddenly burst into flames with blinding lightning, or a violent storm can sweep through in a matter of seconds. And every moment is captured on camera. Stay with us to witness nature at its most majestic and unforgettable. Storms in New Jersey can deliver surprise lightning strikes, endangering anyone outdoors like this delivery driver. Tornadoes can shift shape as wind speed direction, storm pressure change, creating spectacular sights. A single lightning bolt can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, leaving scorched marks where it strikes. Like a movie scene, lightning crowned a skyscraper in Illinois, captivating everyone watching that night. Is the Cheontang River tidal bore really that powerful? Stay indoors, officials warned as a brutal snowstorm swept across Iowa. At a racing event in Minnesota, a sudden dust devil swirled dirt and debris, stunning the crowd. The Gulf of Mexico is home to about 50 shark species. Most encounters are harmless, since sharks usually avoid humans unless provoked. In San Angelo, drones captured dramatic footage of widespread flooding that damaged homes and infrastructure. A funnel cloud is a rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm, which can become a tornado if it touches the ground. Under skies glowing with auroras, meteors streaked across, creating a dazzling celestial show. The mountain vanished in seconds. A violent rock slide shut down multiple highways in Colorado. Over Yellowstone, a spectacular storm lit up the night sky, transforming the park into a dramatic stage of light and shadow. On January 17th, a 9-meter whale shark was spotted swimming just 180 meters off Stewart Beach, Florida. Only 2 days before opening, Tomorrowland's main stage caught fire, sending smoke and sparks into the sky.
Oh no! Oh no!
Powerful winds flipped a travel trailer on the road, shocking witnesses with nature's force. Drivers in Colorado had to stop as a herd of moose casually crossed the highway, causing a brief traffic jam. In a violent storm, strong winds ripped off a roof, scattering debris just meters away from a passing car. Massive waves can hurl heavy objects like shipping containers ashore, showcasing the sea's terrifying power. On Lake Michigan, crashing waves mixed with ice sheets created a mesmerizing winter spectacle. Every winter, blacktip sharks gather in huge numbers, but seeing them leap and spin near the shore is like a real-life thriller at sea. Strong waves can toss massive objects like containers onto land, proving the ocean's incredible strength. Storms surge from events like Ophelia happens when fierce winds push seawater inland, battering structures like piers. Two stranded humpback whales were rescued on Argentina's coast within 48 hours, a dramatic operation that thrilled everyone watching. Tornadoes form when rotating storm clouds extend to the ground, unleashing destructive winds and flying debris. It looks like an action movie scene, but this is real nature, a tornado's fury reminding us to always have a safety plan. American alligators are common in the southeast U.S. In warmer months, they sometimes wander onto roads and bridges to bask or search for food. In Montauk, surfers still rushed into the sea to catch giant waves, even as a tropical storm warning was issued. An earthquake suddenly shook Vanuatu Cafe, sending people scattering. Luckily, no injuries, but the jolt left an unforgettable memory. A funnel cloud officially becomes a tornado once it touches the ground, often bringing destructive winds and flying debris. Southern Missouri lies within Tornado Alley, where violent storms and tornadoes frequently strike in spring and early summer. Iowa has seen an increase in severe tornadoes in recent years, especially in late spring and early summer. North Carolina often faces summer storms that cause long power outages, particularly in rural areas.
This morning when I found
Snakes sometimes slither into cool, damp places like bathrooms at night, especially in hot climates, often requiring snake catchers. Southeast Texas is prone to flooding due to flat terrain, major storms, and its location near the Gulf of Mexico. Central Ohio often experiences hail during spring storms, sometimes damaging cars, roofs, and crops. Storm chasers drive hundreds of miles. Just for moments like this, a single lightning strike can make the whole trip worthwhile. Even outside Tornado Alley, Ohio endures many destructive tornadoes each year, especially in spring. Like a horror film come to life, lightning flashes and suddenly a tornado forms right in front of you.
Look at my phone, right there.
Wildfires in Villaza, Monterrey showed how hot, dry and windy conditions can spread flames rapidly beyond control. Hot, dry summers in Turkey make tourist area forests especially vulnerable to fast-spreading wildfires. Strong winds can make wildfires spread many times faster, turning small blazes into major infernos. Wildfires can create giant smoke plumes stretching for miles, harming air quality and visibility. A wildfire in northwest Czech Republic showed how climate change makes even rarely affected areas more vulnerable. In hot, dry conditions, wildfires can spread in hours and consume dozens of acres of land. Aircraft were deployed to battle a wildfire near a famous tourist town in Ibiza. In wildfire response, controlled tree cutting can create fire breaks to stop flames from spreading further.
Watch these snags, watch this green tree. So take it with it.
Drone footage showed a bridge in Ecuador collapsing after an earthquake, complicating rescue and travel. Security cameras captured the destructive power of an earthquake hitting Vanuatu, violently shaking buildings. Strong earthquakes can shift the ground so much, they rip open massive cracks like this one in Turkey all in seconds. A close call. A couple had a miraculous escape when a landslide crashed down just as they drove through Helene. Under skies glowing with auroras, meteors streaked across, creating a dazzling celestial show. Wildfires can force the closure of major roads and emergency evacuations for nearby residents.
Destrozado. Madre.
After the KNP complex, fire smoke and haze still lingered among the trees in haunting scenes. The holy fire erupted in Cleveland National Forest, scorching over 4,000 acres and keeping firefighters battling non-stop. Oregon Zoo is helping conserve endangered turtles by raising hatchlings until they are strong enough for the wild. When lightning strikes a tree, the immense current can instantly vaporize sap, splitting and igniting the trunk. Can you guess how such powerful tidal bores are formed? Satellite images revealed the severity of Amazon wildfires devastating the region known as Earth's lungs. It's like the sky ripped open. This close-up lightning strike exposes nature's raw, primal power. Scary to watch, but science has it covered. Lightning struck the world's largest airplane, and everything worked as designed.
Let's stay here.
It's like nature joined the fun lightning, struck a roller coaster, creating a real-life special effect.
That funnel is about halfway to
Like
the
a
ground.
supernatural
Little
scene,
whip.
lightning flashed. A funnel cloud spun, blending science and mystery.
That funnel is about halfway to...
Aerial footage revealed a sinkhole stretching across a New Jersey highway, disrupting traffic and sealing off nearby areas. Flash floods can erode underground layers, weakening the surface until it suddenly collapses into a sinkhole. It looked like the street swallowed a car whole, but in reality, floods had hollowed the ground, turning it into a deadly trap. The underwater world is so beautiful, and I want to share it with you, the most wonderful person watching this video.
Take this winter and all this snow and water runoff.
It's like the sky turned upside down. Mammatus clouds form dramatic patterns, often linked to violent storms. Funnel clouds form when rotating air from a severe thunderstorm extends downward, becoming tornadoes if they touch the ground. A fire tornado forms when extreme heat and swirling winds combine, creating a deadly spinning column of flames. Strong winds can spread flames many times faster, turning small fires into massive infernos. Fire crews in Boulder County battled a wildfire so intense it was called a firestorm. If you saw a fire tornado like this, would you call it nature's magic or a living nightmare? It may look like a disaster movie scene, but it's real wildfire flames closing in on Bordeaux campsites, changing vacations in an instant. A fire tornado, or firenado, forms when extreme heat and powerful winds twist smoke and flames into a spinning column. Dramatic, but its science tornado funnels are nature's way of showing unstable atmospheric collisions. Oklahoma got its own surround sound system tornado sirens, blending with the dark drums of the stormy sky. Glasshouse Mountains just got a new roof, a massive shelf cloud stretching across the horizon. In Montauk, surfers still rushed into the sea to catch giant waves, even as a tropical storm warning was issued.